Today we're flying the drone in Escondido at Hanchi's house. What's of interest is that it's tough to fly drones here because there's hawks all over the place, and as you're going to see from the footage, it gets a little erratic. You may not see the hawks initially, but you'll see a wing that flies by the upper right-hand side of the screen because they're dive bombing the drone. I had to land it, and the hawk was within 3 feet of me, like, you know. So anyway, what started off to be some nice real estate footage was basically a flight for life. The hawk up there waiting. This is after the fact. He wants the drone to come back because it was good hunting for him. He wanted his little friend back. It's like a dog toy or something, but dangerous. Come on! Obviously not skilled in calling hawks. The wing that you catch, I was not able to capture him landing within 3 feet of me. I landed the drone, and the hawk landed right by it. He was going to go after it, and I was more intent on saving the drone, and saving my own butt. So I'm like, and waving my arms, and he flew off. But he was like 3 feet from me. And he was looking at me like, I think I'm going to eat you. So I wish I could get him to do it again, but he almost had the drone.